In this episode of Financial Control for Life, we're going to break down the bank on whole life system. So a lot of people come to me and ask me, okay, Stephen, what is this bank on whole life system anyway? That's a great question, and we want to make it really clear for you to understand. Bank on whole life system is using a properly structured dividend paying whole life insurance policy as a tool to grow your wealth. It is a life insurance policy that has a death benefit. It has contractual guaranteed growth. It has tax advantages. It has a death benefit. It has the ability to use that money and have liquid access to it. With me as being a wealth architect, we use strategies and concepts to really help it give it its special secret sauce, to give it its turbocharged power, to make it grow quicker so you can access it and achieve more goals sooner. It is not like a vanilla whole life. It's very specialized, and we have those skills and specialties to help it grow the way it should grow and what it's designed to do. Now, hey, you're probably wondering, well, heck, how does it work? Sounds pretty awesome, right? That's a great question too. So the best analogy to really make this clear is you think about a home, and we all love our homes, and there are times where you have a mortgage on a home, right? And what happens is you start paying this mortgage, and maybe the house value is going up in your neighborhood. And then as you pay this mortgage, you start to pay principal payments with your interest payment, correct? Yes. Now there's equity that starts to create in this house. What happens? Well, there's access to that through what's called a home equity line of credit. And what you can do now is use that money to do something with that money for whatever you want. Now, when you take money out of a home equity line of credit, it's a great question. Does the value of your house go down? No, it doesn't. It's still growing. It's still an asset that's there for you for your future. The same thing applies to your dividend paying whole life insurance policy, is that when you take money and leverage it, you actually don't interrupt the growth because you're still alive and breathing, which means if you took X amount of money out, they're still going to pay a dividend. They don't recognize the loan. Why? Because the lien is the death benefit. If I took money out to do something and something happened to me, there's a death benefit there that would cover that loan. Now, there's lots of other mechanics and learning tools we'll give to you on this. In this episode, I've been teaching you about the bank on whole life system and how it works. I really want to point out this is an alternative solution for you that'll help you build wealth and leave a legacy.